Well, if y'all didn't hear, the car is not getting out of here. There's a huge mound right here that you kind of see. Like, you just can't, you're not going to get out of it, especially in this. No offense. But that car's done. This Cliff's done for now. I'm going to start him up, let him warm up, and he'll chill. But funny thing is, though, you know, I was just kind of looking around. Just wanted to make sure he was good. It's all ice. What? That's crazy. That's how you know it was cold last night. If the whole car is ice. Carbon fiber hood? Oh, all right. That's toast. All right, what else? Windows are frozen. Shoot. Doors are frozen. All right. My tires are frozen. Hello? What the? Funny thing is, check this one out. Ready? Snow in the exhaust tips? What? Who came up with that? Man. Well, it looks like Cliff is going to be staying here for a little while. But the one thing that I did do was put the windshield wipers up. That's perfect. That's perfect. Man. I need summertime back.